What's up guys, welcome back to the next video in learning C++. My name is QD Yazdani and you guys watching my channel Koraiwood. So in the previous video we have discussed string, what is string is and how we initialize a string, and we have seen the string size. So in this video we're going to see further some string manipulation, common string manipulation function like a string. We want to put a size, we want to see how we initialize a string, we want to put a size, we want to compare it, we want to search, we want to copy, and all other common, like every day. If you as a programmer, you guys need to know the string. String is very important subject in computer programming, be it C, C++, or PHP, C#, or any other programming language. Alright, so the first one we're going to see the string, how we're going to initialize our string. So if you guys put a data type string and say you want to put you guys say my message, our greeting, for example. So this is very easy. So you guys gonna put like that, greeting, and say hello, good morning, for example. In my case it's good afternoon. So so what we do is that we want to put a C out, and we're gonna put our greeting dot length. All right, so that's the length is coming, and that's how we're going to see the length of our string. What's our length? So we just run that, we build the project. All right, so our it says 0 warning. It's easy program, easy and simple program. It's just 2 lines of code. Okay, so what we do is we're gonna run. Okay, so it's 19. If you guys can see here, or we can put put something that we can see, and we put the length of greeting is, and we can see the length of the greeting. And if you guys can put some n here to bring it down, and you guys can put an n here. Okay, so the length is, it's more standard way of doing that. And we build a project. Okay, so we run. Okay, if you guys see here 19 sitting here, so what we do is that we're gonna put again another one here so we can see it properly. So we build a project and we run. Now you guys can see clearly says the length of the greeting is 19. Alright, so that's how we're gonna find the length, and I'm gonna put it on top, length. Alright, so that's how with the function length we're gonna find the length of the string. Alright, so after this we're gonna see how we concatenate strings. So concatenating strings in C++ strings. So what is concatenating? Concatenating is joining. So concatenating is joining. So how do you gonna join the two strings? Is joining, like we can join our name. So but the computers don't understand that we have 2 separate names, so we have 2 separate string or something. Say you guys can put say my string, so you guys can declare your string full name, and you guys can put a F name in lowercase and L name in lowercase as well. So that's how you guys declare your string. So you guys can either ask a user to put your full name, f name, or last name, or you guys can put a cout please enter your first name, and we're gonna put a C in, and we're going to take it from the user, f name, first name. All right, and we repeat that again. I'll copy that, and your last name, and we put a L name. So now we got our first name and F name and L name. So we're gonna display our full name. So what we do is that we put a full name is equal to F name plus L name. All right, so now our I'll repeat to you guys again. So we have a string, full name, F name, and L name. So we are asking the user to put the first name, which is F name, and the last name, which is L name. And with the full name, we're gonna join these two strings, the above strings. So the first name we get it from the user, the second name we got it the user, and we're gonna join it together, which we are concatenating this one. And this is just a simple plus, and we assigning to F name. So we put a cout, and we put a my full name is, and you guys can do full name here, whatever the user put it there, and we put an end L here, end L, we put an end the line here. So what we do is, because this is gonna get messy, we're gonna put a comment here. Alright, so now we're gonna run our program to see if there is an error. Looks like there is no error, and we're gonna run, and your first name is Q, and your last name is Yazdani. It's a bit close, so what I'll do is I'll make a room. Okay, the first name and the last name, you guys can just put a space, and it goes away because the string counts these spaces as well. So all right, the first name, if you guys see, there is a space here before this colon, and there is space after that. That's a space here we're getting. So you guys see there is a space because this space is also Q D, and I'm put a last name is Yazdani. You guys can put your name. Alright, so my full name is QD Yazdani. If you guys see here, QD Yazdani. So that's how we join the two strings. So if you guys see here, we have joining the two string is called concatenating the strings. So concatenation is joining the two string with a plus. I think is Java is also the same, in PHP is also the same. So in PHP is dot, but in Java I'm sure it's plus sign in Java, because Java is taken from is written in C++. And you guys can join as many strings as you guys like. You guys can join F name, middle name, M name, say M name, so you guys can join full name, F name, middle name, which is M name, and you guys can put a here enter your middle name M name, which is M name, and F name plus M name. So all the way there, and now if you run, zero warning, and we can run again. So your first name, I'll check your middle name. Yeah, so I'll put a middle name. So I'm gonna run. So you guys can put your name, Q and D and Yazdani. And you guys see we're getting the same thing because we are joining the 3 strings now. So you guys can put anything. You guys can put your name, your parents' name, your any friend's name, your children's name, any name you guys can put, and C++ just join them together and assign them to this full name, and we can display this full name here. Alright, that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.